Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to lock Facebook profile. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to lock your Facebook profile here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know and you may want to do here. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Facebook app here. Just go open up the Facebook app and just log into your account. Now, at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on your profile icon, and it should redirect you to your profile. Now, the first thing that you may want to know here is you want to access the three-dotted option at the top right. Now, this will show you all your settings. Now, in order for you to lock your profile, you need to make sure first that your profile is not on professional mode. So, if you have pro mode turned on, you may want to click the turn off pro mode first. And once you've done that, you want to go and just head back into your profile, reload the page, and again access the three-dotted option at the top right. Now you should see the option here that says lock profile, and from here just click on lock your profile at the very bottom of your screen. And once you've done that, you just need to wait for a while. It's going to say you lock your profile. Click on OK, refresh your page here, and you should see that your account is now locked. So if you access your settings again, as you can see, it should now say unlock profile. It means you've just successfully locked your Facebook profile. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.